A little preview of the widget stuff we're going to be showing you this week. We call these things widgets because it's 2007, the year of the widget. Everyone talks about widgets, and the idea of little standalone applications working together really does make a nice way to build things and build services for people. In this case, this is an example of a phone. This is just an emulator, but it runs on the real phone or any Midas device, implementing all the phone features as independent widgets. The little bouncing up and down I'm doing is just to emphasize that they're little separate components, and the wiggly lines just help us see that. But there are just regular phone things like, an address book. I call Paul. The simulator won't call him, but the real phone will. Back to the main menu. This is just a little widget launcher window, but you can see they're real widgets, and this is gathering real data or close of day yesterday. Open waves up a little bit. Another example is the stock watcher we saw. Like a weather application, standard sort of stuff. It's sunny in Tokyo. Osaka, not so good. One of the ideas I was telling you about, the widget idea, is that we want the same sort of widgets to run on totally high-end to low-end devices. The slowest phone to the most powerful desktop. And one of the ways we handle that is through the ideas of theming, where widgets can rely on the theme that a phone is running, and that theme can be a low-end theme that doesn't require many resources to the higher-end one. Here I'll switch to a sort of uglier one we did on this phone. And again, I want to point out we only had 1 week to put this particular demo together, so otherwise we would have a whole lot more themes to show. But the widgets themselves don't know what themes we're actually going to be showing. All right, so now we have exactly the same thing as we had before, only now you see that it's an uglier theme, and the little transitions aren't nearly as interesting. In fact, beyond the theming, we can also actually theme the window itself. We can pick a whole bunch of different options for how that bar can look. Right, things have been reordered. The search thing is gone. We can also theme the idea of what language we're picking. Let's show this one in Chinese. So those widgets that understand Chinese are now going to switch. And I see they don't have my Chinese fonts installed. All right, this is a good time to stop and install some Chinese fonts. I'll get back to you.